Hey guys, it's Cherie from the Auto Builder, and we're here at SEMA. I'm with Mike Deatsch from Deatschwerks. Now, I want to get product specific with you.
Let's do it.
Let's talk about the DW810.
So that would be our most important release at SEMA this year. We do have 12 products we're releasing, but the one I'm most excited to talk about is the DW810 Brushless Fuel Pump. What this brings to the market that isn't available currently is that level of flow of 810 liters per hour in a brushless technology format in such a small footprint as we're able to do.
Okay, so what does that mean for the end user?
So your traditional intake brush pump would be about this footprint of size. Our DW810, which is 810 liters per hour, is even smaller than your traditional brushed fuel pump.
Okay, so for those of us who are not that technical, what's the benefit of it being so small?
Well, generally in brushed pumps, you'll see a much larger footprint. So they can be difficult to install, you have to build canisters around them. What the 810 allows you to do is mount that in a traditional in-tank format.
Awesome, okay, let's talk about performance.
Sure. So you have 810 liters per hour. It comes with our DW brushless controller here, which is small and compact as well. Other unique things about it, the outlet is a threaded AN. So with the fuel pump, you get 4 threaded AN options that included a -6, a -8, a 3/8, and a 5/16, all included with the pump, depending on how you're going to connect it.
All right, Mike, so if people are trying to find Deatschwerks, how do they find you?
You can always find us at deatschwerks.com and of course any of your social media platforms as well.
Okay, and we'll see you on the Auto Builder.